Now let's talk about the next topic, that is monitoring and maintenance. So once these models are deployed, after deployment also we have to, as we just discussed, that we have to see and we have to evaluate the performance by different algorithms, as we discussed, like recall, precision, accuracy, F1 score, AUC. All of these are the key matrices. By that you can understand the performance, and based on that you can make maintenance decision for your model. And there can be some historical benchmarks, like, so if it was 80% in the past, is it performing same 80%, or it has improved, or it has come down? Accordingly, if it has come down, we can try, or we can see what was the problem, and we can bring it to the same level. Or if it is on the same level, we can see if we can improve it using the production data, or using the more learning data for it. All right, so accuracy, we should always target that accuracy should not drop. So let's say if we are in a fraud detection model and we see the F1 score is declining over a month of time, then there are chances that new frauds tactics are being captured. So frauds are increased, but your model is showing that it is able to identify right customer, right? So maybe that customers have changed the trend, so that is also possible. So that also we have to take into our maintenance. So let's say there is a you have some data set, or you have some labels which are able to identify the fraud, and there might be something new which is introduced by these fraud customers, which is not part of your model. So maybe you have to include one more set. You have to go through the entire life cycle again, and you have to include this to improve the performance of your model. Over the time, every model required to adopt new data sets and understand the new patterns and perform the accuracy accordingly.